Hey Warriors, old Jack here, 50 Plus Warrior Fitness. So today we're going to do sandbag shuttle runs or suicide runs. So I got a 40-pound sandbag here. And out here I have marked out 10 yards, 20 yards, and 30 yards respectively. So you pick the sandbag up, throw it on your shoulder, run 10 yards, put it down, pick it up, put it on the other shoulder, then run the 10 yards back. Then you do the same thing going to 20 yards, and then 30 yards respectively. You go down to 10, down to 20, down to 30. It comes out to be 120 yards of sandbag pickups and suicide runs. So we'll give it a time and see how long one round takes, and it's something you could add to your arsenal. Let's get it done. One minute, 3 seconds for that round. All right, Warriors, so that's how it's done. I'm going to do 8 rounds of that today. Now, what I recommend is taking, it takes about a minute, a little over a minute to do each round. I recommend a 90-second to 2-minute rest in between, depending on your fitness level, and then pick it up and do it again. I like 8 rounds. If you're younger and better than me, do more and take less rest. If you're not where I'm at exactly, then lengthen the rest to 2 minutes and do less of them and build your way up. Also, I'm using a 40-pound sandbag. Some may use 10 pounds, some may use 60. It's all up to you, but you have the idea. So it's all about functional fitness, strength, coupled with stamina, and it's a good all-around full-body exercise, and you know how I love those. So throw these into your arsenal as a standalone workout, or, which is even better, put it in at the end and burn yourself out to finish out the workout. Hang tough, old Jack out.